Hans Lanesh, the Ramen Raider guy. Hans Lanesh, the Ramen Raider guy. Hans Lanesh, the Ramen Raider guy.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got a variety from Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Maruchan Wantanmen Shoyu Tonkotsu. So that sounds good. So let's get it on, as it were. We have our 410 milliliters of water at a boil. And yeah, we've got wonton and noridamaki, a noodle block, a little push of the fork. This sucker's gonna go for 3 minutes. So let's get our P. There we go. And that is the way. I am really stoked because I'm going to learn more about the way soon, because in March, oh, you're already watching Mandalorian in your time zone, aren't you? Yes, it's December here still, so it confuses a lot of people, I think. What's funny is the show that I did yesterday came out today, but this one's gonna come out way in the future. The only reason that was a rush. Actually, not your yesterday, but my yesterday. Today is Friday, December 9th, 2022, and it's cold. There's wind, a little bit breezy, cuts right through you. It's funny though. It says something like it's 38 degrees, feels like 32, and then it says like there's no wind. I don't understand, but perhaps it's not for me to understand. So Wantanmen is basically like, if you've had wonton soup, it's wonton soup with noodle. And, well, it has wonton in it with noodle and broth. This one's a tonkotsu shoyu tonkotsu, however you want to put it. It's that and that. Oh, what's going on? Oh, they brought back the basketball lady, Brittany Griner. I don't know. It's like they traded the chick who's on a professional basketball team, and it seems like nobody's even mentioned this. She only had a little bit of weed, vape cartridges. It's like, I'm all about vaping. I'm a hardcore I vape, I vote kind of proponent. But isn't the deal if you get found to be doing drugs in professional sports, that's like you're not supposed to do that? Maybe they finally come to the realization that getting stoned isn't like the best thing for like sports. It doesn't really give you an edge, unless it's just like, no, that wouldn't help in a staring contest either, because your eyes would be dry. Then they'd have to outlaw Visine, I guess. But they traded her. It was like a baseball trade that they did for this Victor Boot. What do they call him? Like he's an arms trader from Russia. I don't know if he's actually from Russia, but that's who wanted him. And the dealer of death or something like that, because yeah. So pot smoking basketball chick, arms dealer that's resulted in the death of a lot of people. I don't know. I'm sure that the administration weighed the pros and cons. Who knows? There's all sorts of weird stuff that happens. I mean, this is like crazy high-level stuff. They might have, in like the last meal that they fed him, give him something that has like slow decay rate, and he's just gonna like die in 2 months. Who knows? Who knows? They could have done the same thing to Griner. Who knows? That would be kind of a slap in the face. Hopefully not. Let's all be nice. Doesn't cost anything. But let's try the noodle. Look at that. That broth looks very nice. But yeah. Hello, Noodle. Slight sponge on that, not too bad. Some broth. Broth is good. And we're going to try one of the bits of... They don't give you a ton of these, but I'll try one. So this is the wonton. Excellent. Often I've had Wantanmen and the wonton isn't all the way through cooked. This one hydrated just well, very well. And then we also have Narutamaki. There's a few slices in here. That's not bad. That's a pretty decent... Wow, I'm actually getting seafood flavor out of that. I gotta give it high marks for that. Usually they just taste like... I don't know, mainly just a texture. No actual flavor to them, but that one, that was... Wow! Stepping up their game. So let's get this out of here. That one? Yeah, there's one. I want to have that visible. Got a couple slices of Narutamaki. Ah! You don't belong over there. You belong right there. Yes, yes. You can live right here. Another. Okay, I can never say no to chashu. It's Shoyu Tonkotsu. It would like that. Right there. Porch. With the fun. I don't need to add any Narutamaki. We got that base covered. Oh, I've got egg. I do have egg. Oop. These eggs had a little bit too long of a bath. Oh, come on, you. Know your place, egg. But anyways, what I was saying about the Griner thing, it's just like, I don't know. But what can definitely be said is I'm sure that family and friends are very happy to see our fellow American home. She was a valuable asset, a resource to have for the Russians, so I'm sure she wasn't treated too incredibly poorly. I wouldn't think. But nobody likes incarceration. Maybe some do. How many billion people we have on the planet? There's probably a certain amount of people who want to be incarcerated. I'm sure, sadly enough, there's a certain amount of people who would love to be incarcerated because at least there they get enough meals. Which is kind of a sad state of affairs, but I'm sure the words, "Nope, sorry, we don't have enough room in jail for you, but please take me to jail." I'm sure that's been uttered in the past. Or the present, hopefully not too often. But yeah, don't bring vape cartridges with weed into Russia, okay? That's just generally, they don't... If somebody did that and brought them here, they'd get in trouble too, so don't think that's like just them. Alright, so what's the next one? Look! It's Batman! And more Batman, and there's Batman fish cake with this one, so you'll get to see that pretty quick. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, bye-bye!